clean though. Hey guys, my name is Javier. Most of you guys know me as Javi. I've been with SpokeX for I'd say about 2 years since we moved into the shop, dealing with the ambassador program for our SoCal riders, doing the bike builds, also build some wheels, basically building rad bikes with a rad company. To include my personal bike, the Yeti SB130 lunch ride. Obviously, being at SpokeX, I'm gonna have the SX310 hoops, laced to i9 Hydras. I wanted to go a little bit something different, so I did center locks instead of your typical 6 bolts. Versus tires, a Fox 36 custom painted by Dustin gnar. All the decals on the bike that you see are from Richard at Stickered. So you have a Fox 36 into a Cane Creek Hellbender 70 headset attached to an i9 stem. For brakes on the bike, we have Trail Evos with the 2.3 rotors. The drivetrain is a mix of 5-dev cranks with chainring, oval chainring, GX cassette because it works and it doesn't need to be that fancy since it wears down. XL1 shifter and derailleur makes everything nice and crisp. The dropper is a 200mm Fox factory transfer. A lot of people say you can't fit a 200 on a medium, but it works for me with a 27.5-inch inseam. The rear suspension is a Fox DHX with a 500-pound spring, also custom Cerakoted by Dustin at gnar. The saddle is a bike yoke saddle, super comfy on the cheeks. I think this bike is like my dream come true. You know, this bike started a while back and it was an idea in my head that I wanted and I needed to have. And seeing it come to life, like literally, is pretty cool. That's what we do here at SpokeX. Literally anything that comes to your mind and anything that you can input as a rider and give us so that we can build you a bike that better fits your riding style is kind of what we do. We can build your dream bike, we can build your dream wheels, or we can just have a chat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is literally my passion project for the last 5 months and it's awesome to see it come to life. If you guys have something like that in the back of your head, let us know and we'd like to help you bring it to life. Like and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be releasing some more videos or shooting some more things like this, giving you perspectives on why we build bikes the way we do, how we build our wheels the way we do. And rad day, I don't know.